Hello guys, review Motorola Moto G73. This version 8GB RAM and 256GB internal memory. Open box and look complementation. We have good complementation. Device with protected back cover. Adapter for charging with quick charge. Type-C. And double Type-C cable. Okay. Now talk about device. Double camera on the back side 50 plus 2 megapixels. On the front side 6.5 inch. Power button and volume buttons on the right side. Left side slot. This hybrid slot. 2 nano SIM card or 1 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. Downside Type-C port, speaker, microphone and headphones jack. We have good speakers, Dolby Atmos. Okay, turn on device. We have Full HD Plus resolution display. 120 Hz refresh rate display, Android 13, clear Android, and look under the benchmark. Under the benchmark results, we have CPU Dimensity 930 and GPU IMG BMX 8256. Okay. Open PUBG Mobile. Look how this game works on the device. Okay, settings medium, and game works only on the medium graphic. Okay, now talk about camera. I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.